The new 6550 20W laser engraving machine is a powerful and versatile tool for carving and engraving various materials. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this machine offers precision and efficiency for your projects. Here's a detailed review of the new 6550 20W laser engraving machine. Design and build quality. The new 6550 20W laser engraving machine features a sturdy and durable design with a 65 by 50 centimeters engraving area. The machine is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up in different workspaces. Powerful laser engraving. With a 20W laser, this machine offers high precision and fast engraving speeds. It can engrave a wide range of materials, including wood, acrylic, leather, and more. The machine is equipped with a 2-axis system for accurate and detailed engraving. Easy to use. The new 6550 20W laser engraving machine is easy to operate, with user-friendly controls and a simple interface. It comes with software that allows you to design and customize your projects before engraving. Safety features. The machine is equipped with an emergency stop button for added safety. It also has protective goggles to protect your eyes from the laser beam during operation. Versatile applications. This laser engraving machine is ideal for a wide range of applications, including engraving on wood, acrylic, leather, paper, and more. It is suitable for DIY projects, arts and crafts, signage, and personalized gifts. Precision engraving. The 20W laser provides high-precision engraving, allowing you to create intricate designs and patterns with ease. The machine is capable of engraving fine details and small text with high accuracy, speed, and efficiency. The new 6550 20W laser engraving machine offers fast engraving speeds, allowing you to complete your projects quickly and efficiently. It is ideal for both small-scale and large-scale production. The new 6550 20W laser engraving machine is a powerful and versatile tool for carving and engraving various materials. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this machine offers speed, precision, and efficiency for your projects. Product specifications. Engraving area, 65 by 50 centimeters maximum. Material, aluminum and acrylic. Working voltage, DC 12 volts, 5A. Control software, Laser GRBL30, 14. Support power, 2.5 W, 5.5 W, 20 W. Step motor, 40 to step motor 1.30, 25 Nm. Warranty, 1 year.